An elegant silhouette, matte accents, matrix LED headlights, the Audi A6, a design that never ages. Before every great journey, choosing the right companion is essential. Our choice, the Audi A6 C8 3.0 TDI. Not just a car, but a comfortable, efficient and stylish way to discover new cities. Let's take a closer look at why. Average consumption 6.8 liters per 100 kilometers. One full tank offers a range of up to 900 kilometers. All that with nearly 300 horsepower. On the open road, the Audi delivers with confidence. The air suspension smooths out every imperfection, while the sound insulation offers near-total silence. The flowing body line of the Audi A6 blends precision with elegance. A timeless silhouette in motion. Inside, a business-class atmosphere. Leather, wood, silence. Adjustable seats with ventilation and massage 4-zone climate control. This is more than a drive, it's a retreat. A spacious trunk and complete comfort. The Audi A6 is more than just transportation. It's a way to travel. The soft closed doors add a final touch of refinement. Closing with grace, not a sound. Advanced safety systems monitor every moment on the road. Anticipating risks, protecting what matters. Long journeys feel effortless thanks to ergonomic seats, exceptional cabin quietness, and intuitive driver assistance. The adaptive cruise control maintains a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, seamlessly adjusting speed as traffic changes. It reduces driver fatigue on long journeys, especially in stop-and-go conditions. Intelligent and responsive, it turns every trip into a more relaxed experience. Every detail, from lumbar support to ambient lighting, is designed for lasting comfort. It's not just about reaching the destination, but enjoying every kilometer along the way. This is just the beginning. In the next episodes, new roads and new discoveries. Subscribe, beauty lies ahead.